Hi all. In this video we will tell you how to speed up the process of synchronizing your Swampcoin wallet with the blockchain. At first, we need to download archive with the last saved blockchain. Go to the swampcoin.club website. Then go to the Info and Manuals menu section. In the submenu click on Chain for Win64 download. Let's wait for the file to download. Then let's go to folder where downloaded file is saved. In our case, this is standard Downloads folder. And extract files from archive. Then folder that was extracted from archive will open. Go to folder with data of our Swamp wallet, which has name Swampcore. How we installed wallet data files into this folder is shown in video on official YouTube channel which called Swampcoin Full Node Wallet Setup Guide. If wallet application was open now, then it needs to be closed. Now attention. We need to delete all files in Swampcore folder, except file named wallet.dat. Go to Downloads folder and then to Swampcoin Win64 Chain folder. Select all the files and then right-click and Cut. Return to Swampcore folder window, right-click and Paste. After this, files will be moved to this folder. Blockchain update is ready. Now we can launch our wallet application. In wallet application window we will now see approximate remaining time of blockchain synchronization. Then we wait for synchronization to complete. When we will see green symbol in lower right corner of app window, it means that synchronization is complete and wallet is ready for use. If you have any questions about this guide or any other topic related to working with Swampcoin, you can ask in community's official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.